What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the OnePlus 6. Let's check it out. This is the reviewers edition, by the way, so you may not have the same exact package, but either way, let's open it up and see what's inside. So I'm going to tear this open right now. Ugh. All right, there you go. And immediately you see the reviewer's guide and you have their never settle slogan there. This gives you information about the phone. And in this box, we have a bunch of cases. We have at least 5 cases in here. They always send out cases with these reviewer editions, and I think they're pretty much the same thing. Let me just check it out real quick. This is a new one, actually. I haven't seen this one before. This is called the nylon bumper case. So I'm gonna try it out since it's the newest case in this package. And the rest we have seen before, so let me just open these up and take a quick look. So besides the nylon one, you also have the option of getting a sandstone bumper case. You also have ebony wood, and then carbon, and then you have this silicone one, which was included with the 5T. Very nice. Let's check out the phone itself. So it's the same package as last year. It looks very similar. I'm going to have to open this with my knife. Oh, that's a lot of grip. You can't even see. Look how white this is. Here you can see the 6. It's right there. All right, let's see if I can pop this open. There it is. Wow, that's a beautiful phone. It's all glass on the front. Let me just take that and put it to the side so that way we can take a look at what's also inside this red little box. You have dash charge, of course, so that way you can charge your phone really quickly, and it's USB Type-C as well. And then you have the quick starter guide, I'm sure, in here. Let me just pop that open. And I'm pretty sure you also get, you also get a case with that, a simple one. And you also get a SIM tray ejector, the safety information, and the quick start guide is in here as well. So here's the phone itself. I'm going to take this off. It's the Black Mirror edition, and it has 128 gigabytes, but it can go up to 256 now. And there's a pre-applied screen protector, which I won't be taking off. If we look at the back, the layout has changed. Let's compare it to the OnePlus 5T. The dual camera is now in the center, right above the fingerprint sensor. And you can tell the fingerprint sensor is now a rectangle, like on the 5. Remember, it was on the front. It looked very similar with that similar shape. And I really like the glass back. It has that nice feel. You're just gonna have a lot of fingerprints, already getting a bunch right there. You also have the headphone jack, the USB Type-C, single firing unit, so that way you can hear your music. And you also have the alert slider, power button, volume rocker. Let's turn it on and see what's inside. Boom, there's the OnePlus logo. Now I can't really show you too much of the software in the OnePlus 6 because it's not in final form, but I will be telling you some of the changes it has gotten when compared to its predecessor, which is the 5T. So there it is, the phone booted up. Now the phone itself has a notch and you can hide it within the settings if you're not a big fan of it. So if we go into the display and we go into notch display, you can hide it there and it's gone. It looks like it's gone. It has a black bar at the top, but you can still see your notifications and you can still see your Wi-Fi, battery, ringer setting mode. And then you also, if you have a SIM card, you can plug it in and then you also see your cellular data. Now the display itself is 6.3 inches, it's 1080p, it's AMOLED, and you also get a screen to body ratio of 84%. That's a huge difference compared to the OnePlus 5T. If I bring it over, this is what it looks like side by side, and you can see that down at the bottom there, the bezel is a little bit smaller, and at the top you have a bit more screen space with the notch, obviously. Now another awesome feature that I found with the OnePlus 6 is that you get better LTE speeds with the glass back. So the glass back gives you up to 1 gigabyte of download, which is a lot. And on top of that, you can get 3 different colors: mirror black, midnight black, and then silk white. Midnight black gives you a matte finish, and the mirror black is the one I have, gives you a glass back. And then silk white actually looks pretty dope. It has a nice white and gold finish. Now I'm not going to tell you every single spec this phone has, I'm just going to put it on the screen, and I'm also going to put the specs of the OnePlus 5T so you can see the difference and what the changes are. As of right now, you can get 3 editions of the phone: 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, or even up to 256 gigabytes. You also have the option of going between 6 to 8 gigabytes of RAM, and the starting price is going to be $529, and it's going to go up to $629 if you want to get the 256 gigabyte version. You'll be able to order it in 5 days. I'm definitely going to review this phone soon, so make sure to sub to the channel, and I'll let you know what I think about this phone. Also, make sure to sub to Andrew Police's channel as well, because I'll be doing a lot of comparisons with this phone to other flagships in the future. Anyways, that's it for the OnePlus 6 unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please drop a like on this video and let me know down in the comments what you think of the OnePlus 6 and if you're going to get it. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Kapow!